Welcome to NPM Tech. We talk about top 5 attributes of a true cyclist. Pica Boost. Cycling should be easy and fun while staying in good health. That's why I invented Pica Boost, a smart electric bike booster that can be quickly and effortlessly mounted on a bicycle wheel to power the bike. Pica Boost gives you the most stable, sustainable, silent ride in every terrain you undergo. Pica Boost fits every scenario regardless of whether running errands, commuting, taking a family outing, or going on a long ride. Have a healthy cycling experience with ease and enjoyment with Pica Boost. X1 Pro Gen 2. The X1 Pro Gen 2 is the ultimate mid-drive MTB conversion system. With up to 5,000 watts of extreme power output and 250 Nm of torque, this system has the power to excite any e-bike or MTB enthusiast. Integrated torque sensor. Fully customizable mobile app. Various bottom bracket fitments. Rider modes. With up to 9 assist gears. The X1 Pro Gen 2 is complete with shock stop stem. The minimal design of the shock stop stem blends seamlessly with the aesthetic of modern bikes, while reducing fatigue and strain. Along with the shock stop suspension seat post, this system works together to suspend the rider and smooth out rough terrain on the bike you already own, making your ride smoother, faster, and more comfortable. Great for bike packing, gravel biking, and commuter e-bikes. Talos Bike Pal. The Talos Bike Pal multi-tool is a piece of hardware for avid cyclists that will enable them to make quick work of small or large tasks when out on the road. The tool maintains a 23-in-1 construction that will fold outwards to reveal all of its various components when making small adjustments to a bicycle at the side of the road or upon arrival at a destination. The tool is also well suited for additional last-mile commute solutions like skateboards or kick scooters to make the accessory a must-have for avid urban commuters. ArcLight Pro Pedals. The ArcLight pedals are the ultimate bike safety upgrade. The ArcLight pedals amplify your biological motion, making you up to 57% more visible than standard bike lights. And you are not just more visible, you're recognizable as a cyclist. Powerful LEDs and long-lasting rechargeable batteries ensure you will stand out and stay safe even on your longest ride. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share.